Namaskar. Today, let's talk about a 14 days ginger challenge. In this challenge, your task is simple. Enjoy a ginger drink every day for 14 days. And I will give you the recipe at the end of this video. Remember, ginger is not a simple kitchen spice. It gives us many different health benefits. It is full of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds, so we can transform about the way we feel, we look, and even how we digest our food. But you must have this continuously for 14 days without missing a single day. If you would do this challenge properly, I would guarantee you that the results would be really surprising. Now let's look at the benefits of consuming ginger for 14 days. The first benefit of this challenge is improved digestion. Ginger stimulates the production of saliva, bile juice, and gastric enzymes. These three compounds contribute to breaking down food more effectively. So when you eat ginger continuously, your body produces more of these compounds. This can significantly reduce bloating, indigestion, and nausea. Imagine feeling lighter and less bloated after meals. Second, ginger boosts your immunity. Ginger has a high concentration of antioxidants. These antioxidants help your body combat an inflammation and even fight infections. Daily ginger is very good to increase your immunity, especially during times when cold coughs are very common. Research shows that ginger can lower the inflammation in the body. This makes it a natural remedy for aches, pains, and even respiratory health. The third benefit is improved metabolism and energy level. Ginger helps your body burn calories more efficiently and stabilize blood sugar level. This means that the body will have more energy level. Think of ginger as a natural energy booster. It can help you feel more awake, alert, and ready to finish all your tasks without those energy crashes that make you feel weak. Fourth and final benefit of ginger would be enhance skin and reduce stress. The powerful antioxidant in ginger combat free radicals. These free radicals are known to aid the skin get clearer and more radiant look. Regular ginger intake will help skin a clearer and more radiant look. And ginger can even help reducing stress by increasing the serotonin level in your body. Serotonin plays a very big role in boosting your mood and reduce anxiety. Now let me also teach you how to make this herbal ginger tea. The ingredients you need are 1 inch fresh ginger root, peeled and thinly sliced, 8 to 10 fresh tulsi leaves, 1 small cinnamon stick, 1/4 tablespoon fennel seeds, a pinch of ground turmeric or a small fresh slice of turmeric root, 1/8 tablespoon crushed black pepper, zest of half lemon. To make this drink, first take a water in a saucepan and bring to a gentle boil. Then add the sliced ginger, tulsi leaves, cinnamon stick, fennel seed, turmeric and black pepper. Stir and let it simmer on low heat for 15 minutes. Turn off the heat, add the lemon zest and let it infuse for another 2-3 minutes. Strain the drink into a mug. So, take this herbal tea for 14 days and see how ginger can improve your immunity, give you more energy, clear your skin and reduce stress. That's why ginger truly is a super herb. And try this 14 days drink wholeheartedly. Namaskar.